Hey my friends, it's me, Retired Shenanigans. I am here with another one. So today I'm going to cook. I got these pieces of chicken I had in here. I'm going to cut them into cubes and I'm going to make a little pan of teriyaki chicken with, do y'all see this right here? With some rice. This is my new diabetic rice. It's diabetic balsamic rice. So we're gonna cook that up. We're gonna have us a little dinner because this ain't much chicken. So I'm gonna cube it over here and I'm gonna show you. But I just want to say thank you. Thank you for all my new, old, and future subscribers. Thank you for coming along on my journey. I appreciate you guys so much. Keep coming, keep liking, keep commenting, all the stuff above. I know I'm talking a little fast. You think? I'm trying to get out of this kitchen. I don't want to be in here, but it's intentional because I'm gonna make this chicken for my fiance because he doesn't eat other stuff. I made some, I don't know, some hamburger help, but he doesn't eat it, so I'm gonna make this chicken for him. This is the same day as that, so come on. Alright, look at that chicken. It ain't done yet, but it's cooking. I wanted to get browned some more before I pour on this sauce. So we're gonna let it cook up some more. Alright, my friends. You see that? I'm gonna pour on some of this teriyaki stuff. This teriyaki sauce. I don't know, should I put a lot or little? Let's see. Let's shake it. Let's pour it on. Let's see what that does right now. Y'all see that? Not much at all. Alright. We want it sticky though, right? Let's see what happens. I'm going to put a little more. And then we're going to come back when it's cooked up. All sticky and gooey on the chicken. Okay? Alright, we'll be back. I'm going to also put a little bit of sweet and sour. Because I taste it and I'm not crazy about that teriyaki taste. Maybe this will help it out. Alright, we're going to let it cook now. We're going to let it cook. And we'll be back when it's done. Okay, my friends, look. Y'all see how that look? Can you see it? Let me see. Let me see if I can get y'all to see it a better way. I don't know who think they coming here to eat. But they ain't got no food. Ain't no food here for nobody. Not a soul. Not a soul. So, they can forget it. They can forget it. Alright. There you go. You can see it in there better. So, my fiance said he's going to taste it. Okay, my friends. My fiance is going to test this chicken and rice. I don't know if it's teriyaki or sweet and sour. Whichever one it tastes like, he's going to taste it and tell us what it tastes like. So, my friends, listen. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so very much for watching. Making it to the end is the most important part. When you get here, you have to subscribe, like, and comment. And he's going to tell us now. He only got a little bit because he's rushing. He got somewhere to go. How it taste, babe?
Teriyaki.
Like teriyaki? Mm-hmm. Well, then that's what it is. But how do it taste? Is it good?
Yes, it's really good.
Oh, okay. He said it's good. He said it tastes like teriyaki. So that's what we're going to put. Teriyaki chicken and rice. Back to what I was saying, my friends. Thank you if you made it to the end of this video. As always, don't forget, like I said, I'm not going to say it again, but you know. And on that note, my fiance, say bye, baby.
Bye, baby.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.
Remember to subscribe, like, and share.